Reference images can be a great way to get yourself started with a drawing, but sometimes they're intimidating and you don't know where to start. Or when you do draw it, it turns out awkward, stiff, or not quite right, leaving you feeling frustrated. In this class, I'll show you a quick technique to break down the reference into simple shapes, which can then be used to draw the image. Hi, I'm Joe Schmigalski, a painter and line artist with a degree in art education. After several years in the classroom, I became a full-time artist and have been on that creative journey since 2000. Though my style doesn't lean towards realism, I use references to make my subjects recognizable, and drawing references with shapes allows me to use imagery I might not otherwise be comfortable drawing. Sometimes we stick so closely to the reference that the drawing can be forced, stiff, and not really in our own voice. Breaking the reference into shapes allows you to draw the image in a more authentic, organic way. We'll begin by taking a look at reference images and define the shapes that form them. Then, we'll talk about how best to reassemble those shapes. That becomes the structure for a finished drawing. Next, we'll apply what we learned and have some fun, using our imagination to alter the shapes, taking the drawing beyond what you see in the reference, making it your own. During class, we'll explore two approaches for drawing the shapes. One is more intentional while the other is more intuitive. You might find that one of these two approaches feels more natural and comfortable. This class is beginner-friendly, but created for any skill level. It's designed for anyone who struggles with references or wants to move beyond tracing imagery. While I am using Procreate and an Apple Pencil, you can use your favorite digital illustration app and any pressure-sensitive stylus on either iPad or desktop. If you are using Procreate, some experience with the app is needed as this isn't an introductory class. I'll provide the references used in class, but you're welcome to use your own. If you're more comfortable with paper, feel free. Use pencil, starting light and finishing dark. So are you ready to learn how to use reference images to express yourself and create in your own voice? If so, welcome to class.